Well, you can't do that.
So who's at fault in this video? Or who would be at fault if an accident were to happen? Now, I see this every day, and essentially it is basically people using the center median lane, which has been designed for special circumstances for either cars in either direction, to either turn left or execute a U-turn in a safe space. This happens often where, what you're about to see happens often where people are in a rush and decide to use that center lane as a driving lane to go around traffic. So let's see what happens here. So I'm driving up the street. Please note the center median lane that's dividing the two sides of traffic. And now you'll see there's a double bar coming up, meaning two solid yellow lines that help carve out a left-hand turn pocket. Now you see this white Chevy on my left. See what they did? They basically cut right through the median and drove right over those that double yellow line. And the hazard here is, I also wanted to turn left. Now, I was actually following the rules and waiting for the lines to let me enter the left-hand turn pocket. Now, when you're doing that, most people don't do what's called a shoulder check, where you're looking left to go into that left-hand turn pocket. Why would you do a shoulder check? Because there's not really a lane next to you per se where there could be another driver. But because drivers are so terrible and so selfish in some cases, like in this one, I highly recommend you do shoulder checks even when you don't need to, specifically because of these drivers. So as you can see, had I not looked and done a shoulder check, I would have innocently turned left, following the lines of the road to go into the left-hand turn pocket, and I would have hit this white car, or the white car would have hit me. No doubt, that person would have gone home and told the insurance company that I made an unsafe lane change and I hit him, even though he's in complete violation of the vehicle code because he's driving straight through the median and driving over a solid double yellow line. And this is where disputes happen because people are in a rush. So who's at fault in that video? Certainly the car on the left, the white Chevy Bolt, I couldn't tell which it was. However, you just have to be a prudent driver and assume people are going to do dumb things, especially when you're in more dense areas. So in that case, there could even be attribution because we do what's called apportionment in California. So anyways, you just have to be a prudent driver and assume people are going to do dumb things, especially when you're in more dense areas. So in that case, there could even be attribution because we do what's called apportionment in California. So anyways, you just have to be a prudent driver and assume people are going to do dumb things, especially when you're in more dense areas. So in that case, there could even be attribution because we do what's called apportionment in California. So
Accident Pros will take it from here.